We're going to begin this hour with an alarming new study. It's out about the drinking water in the city of Chicago. This study found an estimated 75% of residential city blocks in the city had drinking water contaminated with lead from 2016 to 2023. Very scary stuff. Investigative correspondent Anna Werner joins us now with more on this. Anna, good morning to you. This headline is very scary. What did the study find exactly?
Well, Gayle, I spoke to the study's lead author at the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health, whose team used data from nearly 40,000 tap water tests over a 7-year period. They estimate from that nearly 70% of children under age 6 are living in households where there is detectable lead in the water. That means the water contains more than the lowest detectable level of lead, or 1 part per billion. Now, according to the EPA, that level is below the threshold for action, and Chicago's Department of Water Management takes issue with the study. It told us it doesn't indicate routine exposure, but author Ben Wynn told me that kids exposed to those levels of lead could have double the lead levels in their blood compared to kids not exposed, Gayle.
Wow, and all the experts I've ever heard talk about this say there is no such thing as a safe level of lead for children. So what is the impact on children this young?
That's absolutely true, Gayle. And one pediatric expert I spoke to last night said there's very good data on this, that lead levels correlate with IQ deficits and behavioral problems, particularly ADHD and other learning problems.
So what can you do if you think your family was exposed?
So the Environmental Working Group has an online database where you can punch in your zip code. It's called the Tap Water Database, if you Google that, and you can pull up public water data to see what's in your water. Very interesting. I did this last night. You learn a lot there. In the short term, until they replace a lot of these lead pipes, which are in older cities all across the country, look for filtering systems. You can do the under-counter ones for your tap, but also you can get water pitchers. Make sure they say that they can remove lead from your water, but this is kind of key for a lot of families around the country, Gayle.
Well, that's why so many people keep drinking bottled water, because they're afraid. And you hear studies like this, and it scares you even more. Anna, thank you very much.